Hello guys, welcome to my channel English with Bosraj sir. My name is Bosraj, an English teacher. I request you all those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe immediately and encourage me. Well, today I am going to teach you how to use present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is also called as present progressive tense. It we uh, we use present continuous tense to describe the actions that are going now in front of us. Usually, for example, the boys are playing cricket, the girls are singing, the old man is walking slowly. The structure of the present continuous tense is like this: subject plus am or is or are plus ing form of the verb. He is telling a story. She is singing a song. Mother is cooking the food. My brother is going to the market. My father is working now at his office. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳು. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ದಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್ ನೌ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೆಂಪರರಿ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಅಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ಎ ಹೋಟೆಲ್. ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್. ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ಎ ಹೋಟೆಲ್. And then the baby is sleeping now. I am reading a book. What are you doing now? It is also used for temporary situations. I am staying at a hotel. She is working from home. They are not living in their village house. It is used for future plans also. We are going to the park tomorrow. She is meeting her friend for the dinner tonight. And then I am starting a new business from next month. For developing and changing situations also it is used. For example, his English is improving. He is always interrupting for repeated actions. She is constantly complaining. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್. ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮರೆಯದೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಧನ್ಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು.